Hi, welcome all. Here I am going to introduce one new software, FRANDIZO, which is mainly for quality control calculations of tablets. So this is the user interface of FRANDIZO application. On the left hand side, you can see one calibration curve table. Here you can enter your concentration value as well as absorbance value of your standard drugs. Okay, put some values here. Okay, after entering your values, just click save button. Then we will get the equation of your plot and R square value and the linearity behavior of your curve. Okay, next we will move on to the right hand part. Here this is exclusively for dissolution calculations. Here put the values on respective columns, pipetting volume, volume of dissolution medium, label claim, and the FRANDIZO is giving two choices for dilution factor. First one is common dilution factor and second one is individual dilution factor. If if we click the common dilution factor, the dilution factor will be the same for all the absorbance values what we are entering here. And if we click the individual dilution factor, we can add or we can put the values of dilution factor individually on respective absorbance values. So it's a big advantage of FRANDIZO application. Here you enter time and absorbance values of your test drug. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Absorbance value. After entering your values, you just press calculate button here or you press F5 button on your keyboard. Then we got one message box telling that please enter the value in label claim column. It means that we left the label claim column empty. So it is a big advantage of FRANDIZO application that wherever we missed to add values, it will remind us to add the value on the respective columns. So we just press OK and add the value here, then press the calculate button again. So we'll get the cumulative release and the percentage clearance value of the drug. So after getting the results, we can save this data on your desktop. The data saved to desktop as frandizo.xml. As an XML file we can save. So whenever you want to retrieve the values on FRANDIZO user interface, you just load the data and press the frandizo.xml file. Then we will get the values on the FRANDIZO user interface. So if you want to export these values into an Excel sheet, you can do by pressing export to Excel button and show the place where you want to save and just press save button and let's have a look on that. See, the value will be like this. So let's move on to the weight variation test. Here you enter your values of your tablet weight, like 300. So after entering your values, you just press evaluate button. So it clearly indicates that the given batch of tablets fails the weight variation test, and it shows the values which all gone beyond the limits in red background. See here 3 values gone beyond the limit. Here you can press the refresh button to refresh, then close it. Next, we'll move on to the friability test. Here, initial weight and final weight. Evaluate the loss of weight in percentage, 1%, and the given batch of tablets passes the friability test. If it 50, evaluate the given batch of tablets fails the friability test. Refresh it and close it. Your account setting is there. Here you can put a username and password to protect your values. So here lots of options are there in this one. Okay, that's all. And I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude towards my teachers and my friends of JSS College of Pharmacy, especially Prashant, for their valuable help to make this software a reality. Thank you. Have a nice day.